So this is the rough sketch which I will be painting right now, and this is my 000 brush as usual which I am using, and this is my palette, starting from the black. This is burnt sienna, this is vermilion red, yellow ochre, permanent yellow, or you can use cadmium yellow instead of this. This is portrait pink, you can even use portrait pink or flesh tint. This is white, and this is sky light blue. And so also observe the sequence in which the colors are arranged, and we'll start with the lightest tone and we'll work with the blue part and the dark part of the eyes. So let's begin with the darkest tone first. So we'll use black color for the darkest tone plus a touch of burnt sienna. We'll just gently mix the colors and we'll work on the eyeball part. So on this area we'll work just giving the dark, covering the range of darker parts. So for the nose, we'll start from the darkest tone to the rightmost part of the nose. For that purpose, we'll take the burnt sienna, this last whatever the tones are present in the palette, I will use those. And obviously I will sprinkle a little bit of water. So we'll first make the border of it by adding the burnt sienna and a touch of white along with the portrait pink. We'll mix that mixture. And in the first stage we'll just mark the outline for the lips area. black color, burnt sienna, scarlet red, permanent orange, yellow ochre, and white. We will work with the darkest tone first by adding burnt sienna and little bit touch of black. And this will create my dark tone. Again, a little bit of black will be added. So this is my dark tone now. We'll apply it directly in the border between lips and the finger part. Like this you have to mix the skin tone also. And now it's time to give some highlights and shadows. So for that purpose, I'm using dark tone. To work with the more shadows and lights. Now work with the eyebrows part. For that purpose, we require very fine brush. And very details. So I'm going to use the black color, just slightly darker than what we gave previously. As you could see in the palette, I'm not mixing it too much of black, but shifting the color slightly towards the black and giving the hairs part here for the eyebrows. Starting of the eyebrows part, how we dig the colors, how we have dig the dark tones into the skin tones, how we have smudged the colors. In our today's tutorial, we are going to paint the soft eyelashes and the soft eyebrows. So this is my palette, as usual, covering from the darkest tone, black, burnt sienna. In this time I am adding a little bit touch of light blue, orange, yellow ochre, and permanent white. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of water. And today's session I will require too much of fine brush. This is one of the finest brush I have of the triple series, Morris 000. You can order it online also. And starting from the dark tone, I will make the darkest tone by adding burnt sienna plus a touch of orange, plus yellow, plus blue, and plus a little bit touch of black. So in this way I'm gonna create the dark tones for the eyes purpose, and that too that are not too much of dark, so we have to add a little bit of white also. So I'm gonna take the help of white to make it more light, and this could be the hairstone, making too much of dilute in it so that the color is not thick, as well as the color should not be too much of black. And in this way you have to apply the you have to mix the colors initial. While mixing the colors, observe the rotations of my hand and the movement of the hands. Rotate the colors so that it is loaded 100% and in thick quantity, and give it slightly. Now in this case you can hold the brush at the near the tip of the bristles of the brush and give smoothly and soft hairs in this manner. You can press with the thumb and dig some of the colors, but right now what we need is too much of light, more light than this. So I'm adding a little bit of white to make it light. Give a minute dots and a little bit of stapling type of work is also enough for this process. Now go for the another color by adding red. It's a dark tone, but it's not black, but shifting it towards the red part, or any of the color you can choose, and give some detailing part, just maintaining the abstract part. Work on this area. Lift your brush frequently, don't give a continuous flow of it. This is known as a part of stapling, so you can also do the stapling part.